If you are curious about alcohol inks like I am, then keep watching. Everyone, my name is Lekhana and welcome to my channel. I have watched few videos on YouTube about alcohol inks and have been very curious about them. So I have bought few essentials or starter kit and we could discover alcohol inks together. I have added the links in the description box below for all the products. So the first thing I brought, which is obvious, is alcohol inks. The brand I chose to buy is a Pinata Alcohol Ink Exciter Pack by Jacquard. The reason I chose this brand is because the inks are supposed to be very pigmented. So you get 9 colors and I'm really excited to try the rich gold. For me, the best place to buy these inks was from Artifolk, as they offered really reasonable price compared to the other sites. Next I brought Yopo Paper. I've heard so much about this paper and can't wait to try it out. Even though it's called paper, Yopo paper is made of plastic. It doesn't tear and gives you enough time to play with the colors. I decided to buy A4 size as I thought it's big enough to try the colors on. So this one is 85 grams and I've got 10 loose sheets. Once again, I chose to buy it from Artifolk as they offer free postage over £30 and I hate paying for postages. Don't know if it's just me or everyone feels the same way. Next I bought the Isopropyl Alcohol, which has 99.9% strength. I bought this from eBay. The only place I could find this in England was on Amazon or on eBay. And the only reason I chose eBay because they offered free postage. From what I've learned, it's better to use the alcohol which has over 90% strength as it works very well with the colors. Last but not the least, I got these little plastic bottles which has needle tips. I will be using these for diluting the alcohol inks. Hopefully the needle tip will give me good control over the flow of the diluted inks. These are 1 ounce bottles and it comes in a pack of 6. I bought this particular pack from Create and Craft and by now you might have guessed it that they offered free postage. That's it for today and thank you for joining me. If this video has been helpful to you, then please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and share it with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Bye!